Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Andy Rocks, and in this video I'm going to talk about few Chinese apps that you can uninstall right now if you're afraid that Chinese government can spy on you or steal your data, or maybe you wanna just ban Chinese products. So this video is perfect for you. So I'm going to talk about 20 alternate apps that you can install right now, and I'm not going to do in-depth review video because it's gonna be too long if I do that. So if you want any specific video about something, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make another video. So no more wasting time guys, let's get started. Number 1, TikTok. So instead of TikTok, you can install Thriller, which has 4.2 rating and it's a new app available on Play Store. The next one would be Dubsmash. It also has 4.2 rating. The third one would be Chingari. It has 4 rating out of 5. And the fourth one would be Mitron, and it has 4 rating out of 5. Number 2, file sharing apps like Shareit or Zender. Instead of Shareit or Zender, you can install Google Files, which has a good reputation over the time and it has 4.6 rating. The next one would be GeoSwitch. It's a new app and it also has 4.4 rating. And the third one would be FileShare, which has 4.7 rating. Number 3, UC browser or Duo browser. So instead of UC browser or Duo browser, you can install Google Chrome browser, which has many functionalities and it has 4.3 rating. Next one would be Microsoft Edge, and it's a trusted browser too because it's from Microsoft and it has 4.5 rating. And the third one will be Mozilla Firefox and it has 4.4 rating. It's a trusted 17 years old company. Number 4, WeChat. So instead of WeChat, you can install WhatsApp. I mean, in India, nobody uses WeChat. But if you're from a different country, you can use WhatsApp instead of WeChat, which has 4.3 rating. And you can install Telegram, which has 4.4 rating. Or you can install Hike, which has 4.5 rating. Alright, so number 5, Beauty Plus. So if you take a lot of beauty selfies, I have 3 apps for you. The first one, Pretty Makeup. So the Pretty Makeup, this app has 4.5 rating. The next one would be B1612 and it has 4.3 rating. And just to let you know guys, the B1612, this one is not a Chinese app. This one is made in South Korea. The next one would be Candy Camera, which has 4.4 rating. Number 6, VivaVideo. So VivaVideo is an editing app. If you want to edit videos in your mobile, you can use KineMaster instead, which has 4.4 rating, or you can use Vita, which has 4.1 rating. So I didn't find any other good video editing apps for mobile. So these two, the best recommendations that I can suggest. So number 7, Vault Hide. So if you are a Vault user, I found only one good application for you, which is Keep Safe, and it has 4.3 rating. Number 8, Do Battery Saver. If you use battery saver a lot, you can use Greenify instead, which is really good for saving battery. And if you have root access in your device, it would be the best app for battery saver. I have been using Greenify over 3-4 years and it's an excellent app, I will say. The next one would be Avira Optimize and it has 4.5 rating. Number 9, Duo Screen Recorder. Duo, I don't know what to say. So this Duo thing is a Chinese company. Instead of Duo Screen Recorder, you can use AZ Screen Recorder, which has 4.5 rating, or you can use Screen Recorder No Ads, which has 4.3 rating. And nowadays almost every phone has inbuilt screen recorder, so if you don't know where to find it, just Google it. Maybe your phone already has it and you don't need a screen recorder. So number 10, Clean Master or Do Cleaner. So if you clean a lot of garbage from your phone, you can use Google Files, which I already mentioned in file sharing apps. So yeah, that Google Files application, this is a really good application. You can use it as a cleaner app as well, and it has 4.6 rating. The next one would be CC Cleaner, which has also 4.6 rating. And the third one would be Avira Optimization or Optimize, whatever. So this one has 4.5 rating. Number 11, ES File Explorer. So you can use again Google Files instead, because it's a file explorer too and it has 4.6 rating. So you can see Google Files is a must-have app for your device. So the next one would be Explore File Manager. So this one has 4.5 rating and I have been using this app over 3-4 years. This is an excellent app too. The next one would be Astro File Manager and it has 4.4 rating. Number 12, Parallel Space. So if you clone a lot of applications, so you don't need to use parallel space anymore because you can use clone app. It has 4.4 rating. Number 13, WPS Office. So WPS Office is a Chinese duplicate application of Microsoft's Office. You can see you should install Microsoft Office instead, and Microsoft Office has 4.4 rating. Number 14, AppLock or Do Privacy. So again the same Do company, you can use Norton AppLock instead of AppLock or Do Privacy, and it has 4.5 rating. Number 15, Turbo VPN. So if you use VPN a lot, you can use Starlink VPN, which I am using right now, and it is excellent VPN app and it has 4.7 rating out of 5. The next one would be Proton VPN. It has 4.1 rating out of 5. Number 16, Cam Scanner. You can use Adobe Scan or Adobe Scanner instead of Cam Scanner, and Adobe Scan has 4.6 rating out of 5. Number 17, Avast Antivirus. So basically Android devices doesn't need antivirus, but if you still want to stay away from malwares and stuff, you can use Kaspersky instead of Avast, and Kaspersky has 4.8 rating out of 5. Number 18, MI Video Call. You can use Google Duo instead of MI Voice Call, and Google Duo has 4.5 rating out of 5. Number 19, Zoom. So Zoom is a very popular conference calling app. So instead of using Zoom app, you can use Say Namaste. Yes, this is a new Indian made app and it has 4.3 rating. The next one would be Microsoft Teams. You can use this as well, and Microsoft Teams has 4.3 rating also. Then you can use Discord and it has 4.5 rating. A lot of gamers use Discord. Basically Discord is a gaming conference call or video calling app. And the last one would be Skype, which has 4.3 rating. Number 20, UC News. So if you watch news a lot, don't need to install UC News, install Google News instead, and Google News has 4.4 rating out of 5. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the top 20 list I made for you guys, and you can use these apps, and all of these apps has over 4 rating as I mentioned earlier. If you want me to make in-depth review video of any specific app, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do it. So if this video is helpful for you, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So see you guys soon in my next video. Keep rocking.